click one. See it tatted on my right arm. Catch me on the web at click1music.com. And I ain't getting too much radio play. They don't like it when I cuss, man, the radio's gay. But still the streets showing nigga hella support. They want my autograph and I ain't even ballin' on courts. And I ain't even got my mug in the source. But a couple motherfuckers, all they wanna see a thug and a corpse. And of course, me and my nigga Metal doing our thing. Romero born plus the hustle, now we stepping up game. It's not a game, nigga, leave it alone. We catch your ass slipping, knock you out like Tarver did Roy Jones. And listen, homeboy, you better watch what you say. The route your firstborn might get shot like who say. I hit the block blowing, shining on dude strays with Gucci pattern seats in the coupe. Yeah, that's my new thing. And every hood we go to,